Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam when it shows no connection even though you have internet. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, in the bottom left corner of your screen, click the search bar. Once it's open, type in Task Manager and click on the Task Manager app that appears in the results. This will open up a window showing all the processes currently running on your computer. Now look through the list of processes until you find Steam Client Web Helper. This is a background process that sometimes causes connection issues when it gets stuck. Right-click on it and select End Task from the menu. This will force the process to close and Steam will automatically relaunch it with a fresh connection attempt. Next, we're going to check your PC's time and date settings. This might seem unrelated, but incorrect time settings can actually prevent Steam from connecting to its servers properly since the connection relies on synchronized timestamps. To do this, right-click on the clock in the bottom right corner of Windows. From the menu that appears, click Adjust Date and Time. This will take you to your system's time settings. Once you're there, make sure the option that says Set Time Automatically is turned on. This ensures your PC is always synced with the correct time. After enabling that, click Sync Now to immediately update your system clock. This can resolve authentication issues that might be blocking Steam's connection. Now go ahead and try to open Steam to see if the problem is fixed. If you're still having connection issues, we need to adjust Steam's download region settings. In the upper left corner of the Steam window, click Steam, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the left panel of the Settings window, click Downloads. This is where Steam manages all download-related configurations. Look for the option labeled Download Region. Right beside it, click the drop-down menu and pick a nearby server from the list. Sometimes Steam's default server can be overloaded or experiencing issues, so switching to a different regional server can establish a more stable connection. After selecting a new server, click Restart Now to apply the changes. Steam will close and reopen automatically. Once Steam restarts, scroll down in the same download section until you find Clear Download Cache. Right beside it, click Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that might be corrupted and causing connection problems. When prompted, click Confirm to proceed with clearing the cache. You should also turn off your VPN if you're currently using one, as VPNs can sometimes interfere with Steam's ability to connect properly. If none of these solutions work, restart your PC and your router. This refreshes your entire network connection and often resolves persistent connectivity issues. And that's how you fix Steam's no connection error. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.